All right, well, here we are. We're at the Freedom Factory for Cars and Coffee, and we're gonna go inside. So check it out.
No, it's not.
Can you zoom in? You can't zoom, can you? All right, this is a turbo bug car, turbo Carmageddon.
Like this is clean too. I'm not used to seeing a Carmageddon.
eBay Motors. Alright, you want to go down this row?
Sure.
Let's go down this row. What is this? Crown Vic. Last time it was. Supercharger? So how you can tell it's a supercharger, not a turbo? Can you tell me how you know it's a supercharger, not a turbo?
Because I don't see a turbo.
What's this?
Because it has these big pipes in it.
See the belt? It's belt driven.
Yeah.
Turbo is exhaust driven. Miata? Oh, this thing.
Look at the handle. It's up top.
No, it's parachutes. There we go. All right. Look, the windshield's cracked. Alright, let's hold it down this way. Oh, we gotta go back over.
Huh?
We gotta go back over that side.
Why?
ZL1. This would be a nice car to have. It has a back. It has a back seat. I can take you guys for a ride. Oh. 835. Whipple. Look at this color. I like that color.
Streetcar takeover.
Yeah, where do you see that?
25 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
So what, there's gonna be a car show going on while there's streetcar taking over?
Yep, streetcar's gonna be taken over.
What are they gonna do? Like, are they gonna be in the track or?
Yeah, the drag strip, drag race.
No, here in the track. Here.
No, not here. This is all-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive, I mean. Whipple.
Oh, that's actually not that bad, actually, right?
That's what they are.
You take video of this? Did I take video of these? Yeah, I did, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
Now there's a lot more people here.
Can we put it up over here?
I like that. 01 blue. Is that the same color as my car? That's the same color as my car.
No.
No? My color is better.
Yeah. It's a lot uglier.
The color of your car is like
What?
near her sweatshirt.
Oh. didn't get any video of this thing over here. This white car, no.
See what is this truck?
It was here before.
It was?
This one?
So, what? That's 10?
No, it's 1500. It's full size. It's an OBS. More action over here? Oh, Cleetus action.
No more action.
Cleetus is the line for Cleetus.
I have an idea.
Here's purple.
Are we busy today? Once we leave and go home?
Look at this thing. These wheels. One second.
Wait a minute, video.
Huh? Video.
Did you see the video I did for Mikum?
Yep.
Do you see the videos I did with the cars, like at the end, towards the end?
Yep.
How I did the whole 360 and got.
Went all the way around. Yep.
Did you edit any of those parts?
Yeah.
How long did the video come out to be?
I don't remember.
Or was it 2 videos?
Don't remember. No, it's one video.
Alright, wanna sign up?
Sign. We'll just say my signed hat. There you go. All right, well, that was it. We're all done at the Freedom Factory, Cars and Coffee. I don't know which number this was, but we got to see all the YouTuber guys. Got some pictures. Maybe I'll put some pictures in this video. Got both boys here. You guys have fun?
Yes.
Yes. The answer is yes. And look, check this out. Cleetus signature. Where's the other hat?
I've already put it in the video.
And Cleetus signature there too. Anyway, catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully you like this. Let's see you later. Bye.
Make sure to subscribe.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe.